Jewelry has been a part of human culture for thousands of years. From the ancient Egyptians to modern times, people have worn jewelry as a way to express themselves and adorn their bodies. If you're interested in starting a jewelry business, there are a few things you need to consider. In this video, we'll go over some of the key factors to consider when starting a jewelry business, as well as 10 best-selling jewelry products to get you started. Factors to consider when starting a jewelry business. Your target market. One of the first things you need to consider when starting a jewelry business is your target market. Who do you want to sell your jewelry to? Are you targeting women or men? What age group are you targeting? What is their style and taste? By answering these questions, you can better understand your target market and create jewelry that appeals to them. Your jewelry niche. The jewelry industry is vast, and there are many different niches you can explore. Do you want to create fine jewelry, fashion jewelry, or something in between? What type of materials do you want to use? By identifying your jewelry niche, you can better position yourself in the market and stand out from the competition. Your branding. Your branding is essential when starting a jewelry business. Your brand should reflect your target market and your jewelry niche. It should also be unique and memorable. Consider your brand name, logo, and packaging when creating your branding strategy. Your production process. How will you produce your jewelry? Will you create it by hand, or will you use a manufacturer? If you plan to create your jewelry by hand, you need to consider the time and resources needed to produce your jewelry. If you plan to use a manufacturer, you need to find a reliable and trustworthy partner who can produce high-quality jewelry at an affordable price. Your sales channels. How will you sell your jewelry? Will you sell it online, in stores, or at markets? Each sales channel has its advantages and disadvantages, and you need to consider your target market and your jewelry niche when choosing your sales channels. 10 best-selling jewelry products. Necklaces. Necklaces are a classic jewelry piece and a top-selling product. They come in many different styles and materials, making them versatile and appealing to a broad range of customers. Some popular necklace styles include chokers, pendants, and statement necklaces. Earrings. Earrings are another popular jewelry piece and a staple in many women's jewelry collections. Like necklaces, they come in many different styles and materials, making them versatile and appealing to a broad range of customers. Some popular earring styles include hoops, studs, and dangle earrings. Bracelets. Bracelets are a versatile jewelry piece that can be worn alone or layered with other bracelets. Like necklaces and earrings, they come in many different styles and materials, making them appealing to a broad range of customers. Some popular bracelet styles include bangles, cuffs, and charm bracelets. Rings. Rings are a popular jewelry piece and often used to symbolize love and commitment. They come in many different styles and materials, making them versatile and appealing to a broad range of customers. Some popular ring styles include engagement rings, wedding bands, and fashion rings. Body jewelry. Body jewelry is a trendy and edgy jewelry piece that has become increasingly popular in recent years. It includes jewelry pieces worn on various body parts, such as the nose, belly button, and ears. Some popular body jewelry styles include nose rings, belly button rings, and ear cuffs. Anklets. Anklets are a jewelry piece worn around the ankle and often associated with beachwear and summer fashion. They come in many different styles and materials, making them versatile and appealing to a broad range of customers. Some popular anklet styles include chain anklets, charm anklets, and beaded anklets. Brooches. Brooches are a classic and elegant jewelry piece that can be used to add a pop of color or sparkle to an outfit. They come in many different styles and materials, making them versatile and appealing to a broad range of customers. Some popular brooch styles include floral brooches, animal brooches, and vintage brooches. Cufflinks. Cufflinks are a popular jewelry piece for men and often used to add a touch of sophistication to a formal outfit. They come in many different styles and materials, making them versatile and appealing to a broad range of customers. Some popular cufflink styles include classic cufflinks, novelty cufflinks, and personalized cufflinks. Body chains. Body chains are a jewelry piece worn over clothing or on bare skin and often associated with festival wear and bohemian fashion. They come in many different styles and materials, making them versatile and appealing to a broad range of customers. Some popular body chain styles include chain body chains, beaded body chains, and tassel body chains. Hair accessories. Hair accessories are a jewelry piece worn in the hair and often used to add a touch of glamour or sparkle to an outfit. They come in many different styles and materials, making them versatile and appealing to a broad range of customers. Some popular hair accessory styles include hair clips, headbands, and hairpins. Thank you for watching this video on how to start a jewelry business and the 10 best-selling jewelry products to offer in your store. I hope this information has been helpful and has provided you with some valuable insights on how to get started in the jewelry industry. Remember, starting a business requires hard work, dedication, and a strong vision. But by identifying your target market, jewelry niche, branding, production process, and sales channels, you can position yourself for success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on starting and running a successful jewelry business. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.